National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for western Lake County in northeast Illinois, east central McHenry County in northeast Illinois until 5:15 p.m. At 4:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Sunnyside and moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and small hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Lake Moore around 4:30 p.m. Long Lake and Holiday Hills around 4:35 p.m. Round Lake around 4:40 p.m. Waunaconda and Tower Lakes around 4:45 p.m. Grave Lake and Third Lake around 4:50 p.m. Other locations in the warning include Fox Lake Hills, Round Lake Heights, Round Lake Beach, Hainstone and Round Lake Park. Other locations impacted: College of Lake County, Moraine Hill State Park. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.